Sorry, I just fell off my bed, and a bunch of papers just fell on my head. Alright, let's try it again. Sorry about that little part about falling off the bed. That hurt really badly. Yeah, that was my song. By the way, the theme is supposed to be medieval. Just to let you know. So, comment and let me know if it sounds medieval or not.